In Esoteric Ebb, we wanted to get the environments just right, both in the art style and the feel Chris was going for. We wanted them hand-drawn and to look just like one of Oscar Westberg's comics, but still being able to react to lighting and interactions. We built the areas in 3D based on a very simple blockout by Chris. These mapped out the interactions and where the character would be able to move. In the beginning, we used some asset packs to set dress the areas, but we soon realized that modifying asset packs took the same time as creating them ourselves. But also making them from scratch made the game look much more consistent. A good thing about having asset packs is that you get a good foundation on what to replace and what to create. After building the 3D environments, we generated line art and projected the UVs from the camera view using an orthographic setup. This gave us an image we could paint on. The generated line art gave us a good base to work from, but most lines still needs to be hand-drawn, and we used it only as a guide. We created a limited color palette for the whole game, just to keep things consistent and stay true to the concept art. We also created palettes for different weather conditions of the game, from a warm sunrise to a rainy afternoon. Most of the shading was painted by hand. In some areas, we used to render shadows as a base to match the light sources in the game. Some parts of the environment needed to be dynamic and move. It was important that these blended as good as possible with the static backgrounds, without ever feeling too 3D. Here are the artists who worked on the environments and their respective roles. And that's a summary of how we created the environments for Esoteric Ebb. Next video will show the character process. Until then, have a wonderful time.